You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Well, between today and yesterday, we are dealing with what Environment Canada calls the wettest system so far for much of our region for 2021. Another 30 millimeters today. We dealt with around 17 for Kingston, 17 millimeters yesterday. Around 21 by the end of the hour. We'll slip to 17 degrees late evening. Definitely need an umbrella for the afternoon. And as far as our futurecast images are concerned, yep, the rather large system does break up late evening or moves on. And then a little bit of a light rain tomorrow afternoon. We should see some sunshine actually for the first part of the day, and some sunny periods for the most part on Saturday, but also that'll be mixed with some cloud cover, but not a whole lot of rain if we do see anything for Saturday. Belleville, rainfall warning is in effect for you today, 30 millimeters for you, and some windy conditions, gusts around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, 19 degrees your expected temperature in the afternoon, and then 17 on Friday, 21 on Saturday with a chance of a light rain. Brockville, 22 degrees today, 15 millimeters of rain total accumulation. That includes overnight as well. But 18 for tomorrow, that's the average high for this time of year. Enjoy some sunny periods to end the week and some sunny periods to begin the weekend. 22 degrees, a little above average. Smiths Falls, a rainfall warning is in effect for you today, as you'll see 20 millimeters total accumulation, 22 degrees the expected high, and windy conditions as well. 18 for tomorrow, 21 on Saturday. Sunny periods both Friday and Saturday. Kingston is also under a rainfall warning with a total accumulation of 30 millimeters of rain. We're also dealing with some windy conditions with gusts around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. We'll get to 22 degrees and then 18 for tomorrow. Nothing out of the ordinary there. That's the average high for this time of year, and a chance of more rain most likely later in the day. And then Saturday, 21 degrees. We do see a little bit of sunshine, and then highs of 18 for Sunday and Monday. A chance of rain on Sunday. Enjoy the sunshine to begin the week.
Lots of rain, a bit of an understatement, as we nearly reached that 100 millimeter mark in the last hour of how much we've received since it started. We're still counting, and that rain will continue to fall. Rainfall warning still in effect, hoping that probability is going to drop a bit, but it certainly it hasn't yet. In fact, we just had a very heavy downpour race through the downtown core just momentarily about 10 minutes ago. 22 is your high in Kingston today, same for Brockville, Smiths Falls, up to 23 in Ottawa. They had a 22 in Belleville, 18 in Peterborough, 19 in Oshawa and Toronto today. So everybody a little closer to seasonal. 18 is the seasonal average for Kingston. But with all that moisture in the air, it's certainly feeling a lot warmer. You got a 94% relative humidity, so that 17 is probably feeling more like a 24. Yeah, a little sticky out there. 70 millimeters of rain today. Add that to the 45 you got yesterday. We haven't stopped the tally yet. This number taken just about 2 hours ago. So, and we just had a heavy downpour, so it could be much more. We will likely exceed the 120 that Trenton has already clocked. That's what they've reported at the top of the hour all total. So there goes that low pressure system that stalled over the Great Lakes, finally moving out thanks to some high pressure in the south, pushing it in. A little bit of a trough in behind, and that's why we're not giving up on that probability of precipitation, 60%. As it moves through over Friday, Saturday, you actually get some sunshine, but don't count on it totally shower-free or cloud-free because of the troughing in behind. Another low dropping in is probably going to bring you some wet weather again some point Sunday, and we hope that this one, the one that's moving through Sunday, is going to whip through a lot quicker. Yeah, much faster. So there's that partial clearing over Friday, and then you get into another 60% probability briefly, and then Saturday it clears up nicely. It's mostly sunny to a mix of sun and cloud, but then, yes, there's that low in the prairies dropping in, and for Sunday this will be a weather factor. They're saying 60% probability, even though it looks a little intense in the north, because it's likely to diminish and lose its intensity as it goes across Lake Ontario. And so 60% probability, not bad for a Sunday. Saturday seems to be your best day for the weekend, unless you're in Belleville. Things speeding up, getting out of the way quicker, and so by Sunday you're into a mix of sun and cloud, a seasonal high of 18 up to 21 Saturday with that 60% chance of showers, and still about a 60% probability through the afternoon very briefly. Brockville, 18 for a high tomorrow, 40% chance of a shower. Nothing Saturday. Enjoy that high of 22 and a mix of sun and cloud. And Sunday, a high of 18 cloudy with a 40% chance of showers or light rain. And for Smiths Falls, up to 18 18 with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same Saturday with a high 21, and then it slips to the seasonal 18 on Sunday with a mix of sun and cloud. Just a 30% chance of showers. You're likely to see that probability increase through the evening and overnight as that front that we see more so day side reaches them. So here's Kingston's 5-day. 18 for a high, and a good 60% chance of showers and light rain tomorrow. You're getting the same overnight tonight. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us exceed that 120 millimeters they saw in Trenton. Saturday, high 21, 40% chance of a shower still with that mix of sun and cloud. For Sunday, you rise to 18. Again, I'll remind you that is the seasonal average. And we seem to hang on to that for a few days, and we seem to let go of the precipitation once we roll into the work week. Wouldn't you know it? Back into a mix of sun and cloud with seasonal highs of 18 over Monday and Tuesday. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Gail Douglas of Newburgh sends this in. Over the summer, her granddaughter at the cottage got acquainted with a little family of ducks, and they learned to trust her, and she could jump in and swim with them and hang out with them. This is a really cool splashy shot with her and the family of ducks. Lovely shot. Gail, thank you so much for sending that in. If you've got pictures to share with us, please send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yes, lovely picture. Not a lovely forecast from you, Bill, at least for the for the evening and overnight when it finally ends. I want to venture a guess. We're going to have more rain in 2 days than we've had in 2 months.
Exactly. Yeah, that's a very, very safe estimate, I believe. For the month of September, we've certainly exceeded in the first 2 weeks, but more so than we did in July or August. If you were to take all the rain we got in August and added that to what you had in the last half of July, still wouldn't come too close to what we've had right now.
Well, we will need some drying out days, and hopefully we'll see more of them in the long-range forecast coming up later. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Rain moving through the region over the last couple days in excess of 100 millimeters. We'll have full numbers for you as it wraps up very slowly over the next 24 hours. But yes, that low that stalled over the Great Lakes and even went retrograde at some point is now being allowed to go through. That pesky high pressure system over Newfoundland is what's been blocking it, but we're able to lose that ridge in the north. The low is traveling up and out of the way, but another one drops in from the prairies and takes its place. So enjoy that bit of a break on Saturday. We're not erasing the probability of precipitation entirely on Saturday for Kingston and Belleville, but it is diminished considerably. And then another low moves in for Sunday. So best day this weekend will be your Saturday. 17 is the high in Belleville tomorrow. Mix of sun and cloud with a 60% chance of showers. Saturday, 60% chance of showers again, but by Sunday up to 18. Just a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville, you're looking at a 40% chance of showers as well tomorrow. Nothing for Saturday with a high 22. You rise to 18 on Sunday as that second system moves through. 40% chance of showers. Smiths Falls, a couple days of a mix of sun and cloud. Temperature rising to 21 by Saturday. Sunday, only up to 18 and a 30% chance of showers. Kingston, your long-range forecast. Good chance of showers tonight still, even though the heavier rain has stopped. 60% probability overnight and through the day tomorrow. For Saturday, it's a high 21, mix of sun and cloud, just a 40% chance of showers, but then it jumps up to 60% on Sunday as that system from the prairies moves our way. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, no showers, and a seasonal high of 18 all 4 days and lots of sunshine.
Enough